In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset the Bose Smart Portable Speaker, and it's really simple. So what you need to do is this. You want to first have it turned on. So when you're going to turn it on, then you just want to hold the Bluetooth button and the plus button, the volume up button, for about 10 to 15 seconds. What you will then see is that when you're going to do that, then there is going to be like a startup process, and all the things that you had paired, everything will get like disconnected, and you have to like set up it and pair it again. So again, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna press and hold the Bluetooth button, press and hold the volume up button, and when you're gonna do it and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then you're gonna perform a factory reset. So I hope this video helped you on how we can fix this and how we can factory reset the Bose portable smart speaker, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna turn it on, press Bluetooth, press plus, and hold it together for about 10 to 15 seconds. And have a great day, and goodbye.